In the recent past month, we have seen some major landmark decision from the Modi government, and it was a national education policy which they brought a reform after 34 years. And yet again, the Modi government has brought a major landmark decision on the government exam test schemes by setting up of NRA, that is National Recruitment Agency. Hi, I'm Rahul and welcome to your channel LOT, Loads of Talks. And आज के इस वीडियो में हम NRA पर डिस्कस करेंगे, नेशनल रिक्रूटमेंट एजेंसी पे. And let's decode and let's understand this at a more deeper level. And by the way, if you have liked the facts in this video, then please don't forget to share with as many as people you can. And yes, please do like, subscribe and share this channel. Union Cabinet on Wednesday, 19th of August, decided to set up a National Recruitment Agency, NRA, a multi-agency body for conducting a common eligibility test, that is CET, to screen or shortlist candidate for the Group B and C, that is for the non-technical post. आप लोगों की जानकारी के लिए बता दूं, और ये थोड़ी सी आपको जान के हैरानी भी होगी कि इट्स नॉट द मंथ ऑफ अगस्त जहाँ पे पहली बार NRA के बारे में डिस्कशन हुआ है या अनाउंस किया गया है. On the month of February, at the Union Budget, our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman ji announced of the setting up of the NRA during that point of time. So what is NRA? NRA is the National Recruitment Agency which is going to take care of the common eligibility test or the government test exam, that is for your SSC or IBPS. The NRA will have representatives of Ministry of Railways, Ministry of Finance, Department of Financial Services, the Staff Selection Commission, that is SSC, Railway Recruitment Boards, RRB, and the Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, that is IBPS, according to an official statement from the agency. By the way, what is Group B and Group C in this non-technical post for which the NRA has been set up? Group B एक बड़ा एग्जीक्यूटिव गवर्नमेंट जॉब टाइप है जहाँ पे मोस्ट ऑफ द वर्क इज द सुपरवाइजरी वर्क. जनरली गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज ऑफ ग्रुप बी आर ईदर गजेटेड और नॉन गजेटेड, मतलब ये दे आर समवॉट इक्वल टू द ऑफिसर लेवल, क्योंकि इनके पास ऑफिशियल सिग्नेचरी एंड स्टैम्प का हक होता है विच इज़ एन इक्वल टू अ ग्रुप ऑफ एन ऑफिसर. द पे स्केल इज बिटवीन 34,500 to 53,100. एंड इन ग्रुप बी में जो पोस्ट आते हैं वो है सब इंस्पेक्टर, इंस्पेक्टर, जूनियर इंजीनियर्स, पीजीटी स्कूल टीचर्स, प्रोग्रामर्स, टेक्नीशियंस, स्टाफ नर्स, एट्सेट्रा. ग्रुप सी आर मोस्टली supportive and non-supervisory jobs. These employees in the government sector can be promoted to higher levels. Staff Selection Commission recruits for Group C government jobs. इनकी पे स्केल 18,000 से लेकर 29,200 तक होती है. And under this, the position includes our clerks, multitasking staff, stenographers, assistants, typists, telephone operators, primary teachers, havaldar, constables, etc. But why? What is the necessity of NRA? ऐसी क्या ज़रूरत पड़ गई है कि सरकार ने NRA को एस्टैब्लिश किया है? अभी के समय में अगर एक कैंडिडेट को मल्टीपल पोस्ट के लिए अप्लाई करना है, then they will have to give a separate exams, which is not just a burden for the examiner, but also जो एग्ज़ाम दे रहे हैं, because उनके लिए एक्सपेंडिचर, ट्रैवलिंग एंड अदर एक्सपेंसेस जो आते हैं वो दोनों तरफ से बहुत ही इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है, ना केवल सरकारी खजाने को बट ऑल्सो इट इज़ ए प्रेशर फॉर एट द इंडिविजुअल लेवल हु इज़ अपियरिंग द एग्जाम्स. So by setting up of this NRA, it is going to reduce the pressure not just based on the expenditure but also on the personal level. On an average 2.5 से 3 करोड़ कैंडिडेट हर साल इस एग्ज़ाम को अपियर करते हैं. A CET would enable these candidates to appear once and apply to any or all of these recruitment agency for the higher level of examination. This would indeed bring a boon to all the candidates as per the official statement. वैसे इस NRA के establishment से हमें क्या फ़ायदा होगा, कैंडिडेट्स को क्या फ़ायदा होगा, and what are the essential elements that we need to know? So here are the highlights. NRA to conduct online CET twice in a year. Registration of applicant, generation of roll number, admit card, display of marks, merit lists, etc. will be done via online. The CET would be available in a number of languages. This would greatly facilitate people from different parts of the country to take the exam and have an equal opportunity of being selected. The CET will be based on multiple choice objective type question paper. The CET score of a candidate will be valid for 3 years. Every district of the country will have an examination center including 117 aspirational districts, major relief to poor candidates. Women candidates will be benefited greatly. No restrictions on number of attempts by the candidate subject to upper age limit prescribed. Relaxation in upper age limit to be given to candidates of SC, ST, OBC, PWD, etc. Candidate would have the facility of registering on a common portal and give a choice of centers based on availability. NRA to ensure better access to rural, underprivileged candidates and women. It will facilitate employment generation. CET scores can be shared with central government, state government, union territories, public sector undertakings and private sector. NRA shall conduct a separate CET each for 3 levels of graduates: higher secondary, that is 12th pass, and the matriculation, that is 10th pass, for this non-technical post to which recruitment is presently carried out by the SSC, that is the Staff Selection Commission, the Railway Recruitment Boards, and by the Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, that is IBPS. Based on the screening done at the CET score level, final selection for recruitment shall be made through separate specialized tier 2, 3, etc. of examination which shall be conducted by the respective recruitment agencies. The curriculum for this test would be common as would be the standard. The government has sanctioned sum of rupees 1517.57 crore for the NRA. The expenditure will be undertaken over a period of 3 years. And well guys, this is NRA and this is heavily going to benefit the government job seekers and also the government and the recruitment agencies, because this is heavily going to reduce the expenditure cost. But then again, there is always a challenge, and that challenge always comes in terms of the infrastructure. Because when everything is going to be online, जब सब कुछ online होगा, then are we in a position to bring everything online? Because we see that most of the time this website get crashed, internet issue and all. So anyways, like this is just a smaller problem that can be tackled, but this needs to be taken care of. So however, so this is NRA, and hope you like this video, and don't forget to share with as many people you can. And like I always say, respect all, love all, namaskaram.